Welcome to a creative space where old furniture finds a powerful second life and imagination turns the ordinary into something extraordinary. This channel is dedicated to From Bed to Chair, a brilliant wood reuse idea, a journey that shows how worn-out wooden beds can be transformed into stylish, functional chairs with character and purpose. Here, we believe that every piece of wood carries potential, and with the right vision and craftsmanship, even forgotten furniture can be reborn into beautiful seating that enhances modern living spaces. On this channel, we explore the art of wood reuse and transformation, blending sustainability with smart design. You'll see step-by-step creative processes, design inspiration, and practical ideas that reveal how bed frames, headboards, and slats can become strong, elegant chairs that tell a story of renewal. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a furniture lover, or someone passionate about eco-friendly design, this space invites you to rethink waste and embrace creativity. Subscribe and join us as we turn old beds into brilliant chairs, where reuse meets style and wood gets a second chance to shine. Welcome to From Bed to Chair, a brilliant wood reuse idea, a channel born from the belief that old furniture is never truly useless. It is simply waiting for a new purpose. Here, worn-out wooden beds, broken frames, forgotten headboards, and unused slats are transformed into strong, stylish, and functional chairs that fit beautifully into modern living spaces. This channel invites you to see beyond the original form of furniture and discover how creativity can turn what seems outdated into something fresh, practical, and inspiring. At the heart of this channel is the idea of transformation through reuse. Wooden beds are often made from high-quality timber, yet they are discarded when styles change or parts break. We explore how these materials can be carefully dismantled, redesigned, and reassembled into chairs that carry both history and renewed purpose. Every project begins with observation, studying the structure of the bed and imagining its next life. This channel celebrates sustainability as a creative opportunity rather than a limitation. By reusing bedwood, we reduce waste, save valuable resources, and extend the life of materials that still have strength and beauty. Each transformation reflects a commitment to eco-friendly design that proves sustainability and style can exist together effortlessly. We dive deeply into the creative process behind turning a bed into a chair. From selecting usable components like side rails and headboards to visualizing chair frames, legs, and backrests, viewers gain insight into how design decisions are made when working with existing materials rather than starting from scratch. Structural integrity is a key focus of this channel. Beds are designed to support weight, and we show how to repurpose that strength into chairs that are safe, stable, and durable. Joinery techniques, reinforcement methods, and thoughtful proportions are explored to ensure every chair is built to last. Design aesthetics play a major role in each transformation. Whether aiming for rustic charm, modern minimalism, or a handcrafted artistic look, we demonstrate how the same bed can produce chairs with entirely different personalities depending on design choices and finishes. This channel also highlights the beauty of wood's natural character. Grain patterns, knots, and marks from the bed's previous life are preserved as visual storytelling elements. These details give each chair authenticity and individuality that mass-produced furniture cannot replicate. We explore finishing techniques that elevate reused wood into refined furniture. Sanding, staining, oiling, painting, and sealing are used thoughtfully to protect the wood while enhancing its texture and tone. Each finish is chosen to complement the chair's design and intended space. Comfort is never overlooked. We show how thoughtful angles, seat height, backrest curves, and optional cushions transform or claim wood into chairs that are not only beautiful, but also comfortable for everyday use. This channel demonstrates a wide range of chair styles made from beds, including dining chairs, lounge chairs, accent chairs, outdoor seating, and decorative statement pieces. Each project reveals how versatile reused bed wood can be. Problem solving is a central theme. Old beds often come with uneven parts, cracks, or missing sections, and we show how these challenges inspire creative solutions rather than limitations. Imperfections become design features that add uniqueness. We also explore how bed-to-chair transformations fit into modern interiors. From cozy bedrooms to living rooms, patios, cafes, and creative studios, these chairs bring warmth and story into spaces that value originality. Education is a key part of this channel. Viewers learn practical woodworking skills, safe tool usage, measuring techniques, and planning methods that build confidence in working with reclaimed materials. This channel encourages viewers to see furniture as adaptable rather than fixed. A bed does not have to remain a bed forever. It can evolve into seating, decor, or functional art, depending on imagination and skill. We showcase before and after transformations that highlight the dramatic journey from bulky bed frames to elegant chairs. These visual stories inspire viewers to look at their own and used furniture differently. Community and shared creativity are deeply valued here. This channel invites viewers to exchange ideas, experiment with designs, and celebrate reuse as a form of creative expression. We believe that reused furniture carries emotional value. Turning a bed into a chair preserves memories while giving the wood a new role, making each piece meaningful beyond its physical form. This channel also emphasizes affordability. Reusing wood reduces material costs, making furniture creation accessible while delivering high-quality, custom results. Through every project, this channel challenges the throwaway mindset and promotes mindful creation. It proves that innovation often begins with what we already have. Ultimately, from bed to chair, a brilliant wood reuse idea is a celebration of creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. It is about seeing potential where others see waste and transforming old beds into chairs that tell stories of renewal and imagination. Subscribe and join us as we give wood a second life, where reuse becomes art, furniture gains new purpose, and creativity reshapes the ordinary into something truly brilliant. In summary, from bed to chair, a brilliant wood reuse idea is all about reimagining what old furniture can become when creativity meets purpose. By transforming unused wooden beds into strong, stylish, and functional chairs, this journey proves that sustainability and design can work hand in hand. Every project highlights the hidden value in reclaimed wood, showing how thoughtful craftsmanship can turn forgotten materials into beautiful seating pieces that enhance modern living spaces while reducing waste and honoring the natural character of wood. Thank you for being part of this creative and sustainable journey. Your support, views, and engagement help keep the spirit of reuse and innovation alive. If this idea inspired you to look at old furniture with fresh eyes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Together, we can continue turning simple wood into meaningful furniture, one transformation at a time.